Hari Om. Welcome to Aniruddha's Creative Learners. Today we will learn to make 3D text in Vector Ink app. So let's start with new project. So we are opening a new project. We will first type the text. We will use thick font. Save it. Create one copy of this particular text and keep it aside. Color. Give some bright color. Now focus on this. Select this. We want multiple copies of this particular text. So we will use this distribute tool which is in Vector Ink app. Now select this distribute tool options. Tap over here and select this top to bottom option. So all the particular copies are in top to bottom alignment. Now what we are going to do is we will reduce the space between these copies of the text. So gradually we are reducing the space and the copies are coming close to each other, and after some time we can see that they have formed a 3D text. We can increase the depth by increasing number of copies. We can reduce the text depth. So I think this depth is adequate. Then select this, select our previous text, select on this particular option and send this particular text in front. Now gradually bring that text over here. So this way we have made a 3D text using distribute tool in the Vector Ink app. Similarly, you can create any 3D object in Vector Ink app. Just select any shape, use some bright color, make a copy, separate the copy, use dark color, then select this tool, distribute tool, reduce the spacing. You can increase the number of copies. And then you can send it back and keep it on top of this. Wait, we can actually remove this particular thing. Stroke, we can reduce stroke, so stroke is not there now, and we can bring it this. We will remove this stroke also. And our 3D object is ready. You can create any 3D object using this distribute tool in Vector Ink app. Thank you for visiting Aniruddha's Creative Learners. Hari Om Shri Ram Ambadnya Nath Samvit.